Okay, we've got a 11 to 16 Ford Superduty, F250, F350. I'm pretty sure the 450 is the same. We're doing the clock spring here. I'm just gonna explain a couple things so that hopefully that helps people in the future. We've got only two plugs on this guy. That's the actual clock spring itself. It actually plugs in down here to this white plug there. It only has three screws. One, two, three. They're T15. Um, and here's your steering wheel. Let's look at the steering wheel. There we go. We only have three plugs there. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw this steering wheel on. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. That's gotta go through there. These are surprisingly easy to do. The clock spring will come with a plastic clip that holds it center. So you want to make sure before you start any of this, you center your steering wheel. Um, okay, so here's what we got. Got this clip here, this clip here, and then the main bolt is a T50. Let's go ahead and throw that guy on real quick. Oh man, one-handed is a lot harder, I tell you. And this thing's got a ton of Loctite on it, so we're just gonna run her in. This little Milwaukee, I just run it till it stops, honestly. Okay, now getting this airbag off. Here's your airbag. You have these clips here, and they go here, here, and here. And the secret is you're gonna have to turn your wheel 90 degrees this way, 90 degrees that way, and 180 one way or the other. And you have to pry these towards the center of the steering wheel. A lot of people get confused because they think you need to pry out on these, but no, you need to pry in on these metal clips here. Let's see if we can throw this guy together. Go ahead and plug that. And uh, so everybody knows, my battery is unplugged. Um, and I made sure to hold the brake to kill the battery the rest of the way. Hopefully you can see that this clip has, let's get the light in a better position. There we go. This airbag clip has two fingers you just kind of squeeze and pull. And then to reinstall, you just line it up, push, ideally, if you get it lined up right. Oh man, light's in the way. There's the bottom. There's that one. Almost. Oh, you gotta really give her. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clip this in with two hands because I can't seem to do it with one, and hopefully that helps somebody.